Ever wondered how one piece of lumber can multiply? Watch as I transform it into perfectly matched pieces for custom boxes. I'm crafting 2 boxes today, each with its own character. But when they come together, they'll reveal something unexpected. The boards are made from rich canary wood, adding vibrant color to the design. Notice the board drifting from the fence? That small slip will cost me later. Now, let's break down the process as I cut each piece to precision. Ready to roll? Remember when I said this would cost me later? Well, here it is. Found one unsquare piece, so now I'm double checking everything. Here I'm cutting in the dado to receive the back of the piece. The back and bottom are made from rosewood, reclaimed from our local government center. With all the pieces cut, it's time to bring this project together in assembly. Ready to build? Starting with a 220 grit sanding. Then moving to 600 for a smooth finish, before applying rub-on polyurethane. Ready for that polished look? Each box is unique, yet together, they create a harmonious display much like the wings of a butterfly. I'm making these keepsake boxes for my good friends twin girls, filled with special touches for each of them. Finally, we install a vintage brass door, repurposed from a 1960s post office box, adding a touch of history. If you enjoyed the process, please like and subscribe for more woodworking adventures.